Alright guys, here we have our 2019 Sylvan Mirage 820. Boat's in really good shape. Got a 40 horse. Nice 4-step ladder back here and door. Good walk around. When we get on, we got a nice full lounger up front here. Nice half lounger. Changing room. Good storage under the helm. Got a 9-person capacity on here. Do have Bluetooth capabilities. Nice lounging area over here. Lunch, dinner. Sun pad back here, which lifts up. Tons of storage underneath there. And then nice little porch on the back here for tying off easily. Very well kept boat. This is going to be a nice boat for somebody to come take a look. Thank you.